Hello again. So since I'm adding both the numeric shifter and the cables, and probably about half of the people who install this say that the cable make too much noise, well, after feeling how the shifter feels, I really do not want to get rid of the cables because they feel amazing. So hopefully the solution to this is that I'm gonna install this. My car actually, when I bought it, had the OEM engine mounts but upgraded transmission mounts. So they're really stiff and really noisy. So a lot of people I know have read in forums complain about how noisy the aftermarket transmission mounts are, because they basically go right on their back seat. So if they have any vibration go through the mounts, it goes straight into the car. And after buying the car, I have changed the engine mounts to RSS, which feels amazing. And now I'm gonna change the transmission mount to the 997 model. So hopefully that should take rid of all the noise that I've been hearing from the back seats, which is vibration from the gearbox. But still, the RSS mounts and the new cables will make the shift as accurate as possible with as least noise as possible. So I'm adding precision in one part and then taking away precision on another part. So hopefully this will be kind of the perfect middle. From reading reviews from and experiences from a lot of people, that's what I've gathered at least, or that's my summary of it, that 997 transmission mount, numeric shifter and cables, and RSS, and you have some more noise but not too much, but you still have amazing precision. So since I already have the transmission brace and everything I need to do to get off the transmission mount, the only thing that needs to be done is these bolts that goes from here into the transmission and these that goes to the car. So it should be a pretty easy job while I'm at it. So I put the car on quick shacks and I took off the middle and rear protection plate. It's 10 plastic nuts on that one and 5 or something, and a couple of ones on that one. It's easy to see, so I didn't show it. Then I also took off this brace, which is held by 4 nuts, 2 bolts, which is here in front of the gearbox mount. So I have a jack here in the middle underneath the car, and one of the blocks from my quick jack, which fits perfectly to the gearbox. And then there's one 16mm on each side that holds the gearbox, and one 15mm on each side that attaches the mount to the car. Then all 4 bolts are off, so now it should be loose. I'm not touching the mount with the jack or anything, so I'm just gonna try and hammer it a little bit with this. There we go. I have the new mount here, so now I just got to wiggle it back in place. Well, that was extremely easy. Is it really in place? Then we just need to torque the bolts, and both of these and actually all of the brackets are all 65 Newton meters. So it's pretty easy to remember. see if the gear it actually works. It's hanging. New 997 gearbox mount in place. Looking good. Hopefully it's going to be a lot less vibrations inside. Unless these buggers mess it up. Well, we're about to find out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.